Hi, it's Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors with this week's edition of Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. Are you thinking of taking on a project soon? A new deck, a rec room, bathroom or kitchen changes? If so, here are a few tips for hiring a remodeler. References and recommendations are a good place to start. Make sure that the contractor has a permanent business location and a good reputation with suppliers. Find out how long they've been in the business. It usually takes 3 to 5 years to become a financially sound business, and that's going to be important because you want to make sure that you hire a company that will still be around to service any warranties. Make sure the contractor has workers' compensation and general liability insurance. If they don't, you could be liable for construction-related accidents on your property. Ask for the name of previous customers and follow up with those contacts to find out how their experience was. Ask if you can see a project in progress so that you can see the materials and the workmanship. Make sure you can communicate well with the contractor so that you always feel comfortable asking questions and getting answers. Very important, make sure the contract is complete and easy to understand. Review any warranties carefully too. Lastly, be aware of unusually low-priced bids. It could mean that the contractor isn't using quality materials or experienced labor. It could also be a problem later if the job wasn't quoted correctly and the work stops while you have to renegotiate a new estimate. Less expense doesn't always mean better. It could mean headaches and attorney fees later. Making improvements in your home will not only add to your investment, but it will also make your home fit your lifestyle and add to your enjoyment. As your realtors, Travis and I want your home to be special, fit your needs, and be just the way that you want it. Thanks for tuning in to this week's Tuesday's 2 Cents Worth. This is Sue Derby at Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And please, if you have any friends or family thinking of making a move, pass along our information so that we can work hard for them too. Thank you.